26 centimeter, like 10 inches. Oh, ganyan lang ilalagay itong lalagay ng cellphone. Pero hindi ko siya muna ilalagay ng color selection. Alright. So, yun na. Good condition and madali siyang experiment.
Welcome to LuvLiNes.
I'm going to open this. Ayan. JNT Express. Ang binayaran ko ay 78 pesos. I don't know where's the price. Anyway, yan. Ayun, 175 pala. 175. Pero 178. Kasi 8 pesos yung Okay, let's open. How do I open this? Super sealed, as in super sealed. Sealed na sealed. Sealed na sealed. Kupitin ko to. Ang hirap naman ito. Yan. Ayun. Naka-box. There's a box. Oops. Ayun. So, this is it. Asya. Let me see. Maybe this is the stand. Okay, baba ko nga yung aking the more that I should let off muna. Ayun. Let me see what's inside. What's inside? Slowly. Ayan. Ayun. Naka-bubble wrap naman siya sa loob. Okay. 2 by 6, 260, 26 centimeters. What's in the box? Empty na, wala na. Yan. 26 centimeter, light 10 inches. The ring light, suitable for selfie, live video, streaming, etc. It has the function of fill light, beauty face, beauty eye, brightness skin, etc. It can also adjust for 3 color, temperature, and according to your favorite. Yan, adjust it na lang. Okay, what's inside? What's inside? Ito. Camera holder. And, ano to? What's this? What's this called? Ayan. Anyway, ito. Okay, this is the light. This is the ring light. The back view and the front view. Ito yung camera holder. Okay, this is for the camera. I'm not going to use this yet because I'm going to put this in my and what's in this box? What's in this box? Yun yung tripod. Okay. So that's the tripod. Ayan. May tripod. Tripod is how long? Tingnan natin. This is only worth 78 pesos. I availed the 1 peso. No. Flash deals, I think. Flash deals yan. Ayan. So, how am I going to assemble this? Ayun, ganito. Ayan. Oh. Ganyan lang pala siya. Push. Is it locked? Ayun, nakalock pala. So, I need to loosen because it's tight. Loosen. And then, ayun. This is the mini tripod. Mini tripod. Pwede sa table. I'm going to use this on the table. Ihigpitan na lang. And then, ano na? What's this? Assemble na to. Paano siya? Paano siya i-assemble? I think like this. Will it be like this? Tama ba? How am I going to assemble this one? Sige, experiment ko muna. Naitayo ko na, ayan na, tayo ko na. Pwede na natin siyang ilagay. Ilalagay ko na dito. I'm going to test later. Oops. Ikot ko lang. Tama ba siya? Tama ba ginagawa ko? Don't know kung tama eh. Ayaw niyang umano. Ayun. Ayun. Okay. So, ayan. Inikot-ikot ko na. At may liig na yung ring light ko. Ayan na. Power on. Where's on? On. Ayun! On. How is it? On. And then, minus, ano to? Plus. Oh. Minus. You cannot see it eh. Yan. What's this? Different color. Yellow. Yellow. And then white. And then, ano ba to? And then yellow. And then yan white. So I'll be using this white one siguro, no? How is it? Ayan. I'm going to use this na. Oy, pampaganda. Okay. So, it's functional. And it's working. Ayan. Yan ang paa. I did not use the, here. I did not use the cell phone stand. What I need is this one. Okay. I'll see you later. Which one is nicer? This one. It's warm. Warm light. This is warm. And this one, yellow. I like this better. Ayan, ito na lang. And I can make it dimmer like this. Dimmer. Konting dim. And they say you can rotate this. No, I forgot. Wrong ang connection ko. I forgot. It can be rotated 360 degrees. Mali ang nilagay ko just a moment. I'm going to fix this one. Let me try again. Wrong kanina eh, wrong. So I should be putting this one here. Kasi it can be rotated into 360 degrees daw. So I think I need to put, ginawa ko nina, it should be like this. Here. Dito ko na inasample. Ito yung idinugtong. Ayan. And then, what's next? Ito, loosen. And then I put this here. Ayaw niya maipasok. Ayaw maipasok. Diyan. There you go. So, as I've seen, parang ganito yun eh. Diba? It looks like this. Tama ba ako? Tapos, mali pala ako, no? I think it's like this. Ayan. Tapos, ipapasok dito. Dito, diba? Lalagay ito dito, cellphone holder. Ito na. Lagay ko na dito. At isasalpak dito. Yung pala yun. Yun yung dapat. Ayan. Okay, ito na siya. Pwede siyang pataasin. Pataasin, ayan. Ilulus lang. O kaya pababain. Ilalagay itong lalagay ng cellphone. Pero hindi ko siya muna ilalagay ng Okay, so that's it. Yan, ganyan. Totoo na to. Totoo na siya. On. Power on. Ayan, umilaw. Iba-ibang color. Minus, plus. Dimmer yun. Tapos ito yung color selection. Alright. So, yun na. Good condition. And madali siyang experiment. Pwede siyang pataasin. Taas na. Alright, selfie time. So that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, this is LuvLiNes. Have a good day and God bless.